Remember from your basics lesson that substances in matter are broken down into two categories. They can either be pure substances or mixtures. Pure substances are further broken down into elements and compounds. Any substance is composed of one type of atom or molecule, whereas mixtures are composed of different types of atoms or molecules that are not chemically bonded. At the end of the lesson and each learning activity, you will be able to recognize that substances are classified into elements and compounds. Are you ready to learn something new today? Alright, so what are you waiting for? Fasten your seatbelt and join me into the world of chemistry. Let us know first if you have an idea about elements and compounds. Let us try this. Tell me if the following substances are elements or compounds. First picture. Very good. Carbon is an element. Second picture. Correct. Water is a compound. Next picture. You got it right. Salt is a compound. Next picture. You're right. Aluminum is an element. Last picture. Perfect. Gold is an element. Based on my observation, you did an incredible job. Now, let us learn more about elements and compounds.
Elements are the simplest form of matter. They can be separated with physical and chemical means. They have different set of properties. No two elements have the same set of properties. The 118 elements are systematically organized in the periodic table of elements, according to their atomic number. Scientists agreed to give symbols for each element. This is very helpful, especially to elements with long names. Instead of writing the full names, a one-letter or two-letter symbol may be used. You can find these symbols in the periodic table too. For instance, O is the symbol for oxygen, H is the symbol for hydrogen, and Ca is the symbol for calcium. Elements are categorized as metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Metals are typically found on the left side of the periodic table. They are often conductive to electricity, malleable, shiny, and sometimes magnetic. They tend to lose electrons and become positively charged. Examples of metals are aluminum, iron, copper, gold, mercury, and lead. Nonmetals are found on the right side of the periodic table. They are mostly gases, typically not conductive to electricity, not malleable, not shiny, and not magnetic. They tend to gain electron and become negatively charged. Examples of nonmetals are carbon, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and chlorine. Alkaloids can be found on the staircase border between metals and non-metals on the periodic table. These elements have properties between metals and non-metals. Compounds contain two or more elements chemically bonded together. Examples of these are air, salt, and water.
You did an incredible job, grade 7 learners! I hope you have learned something new today. So this is Teacher Gani, and see you on our next episode of Science Patrol!